Once you have opened the control box, you should notice that each unit comes with a spare 8-amp fuse. A small Ziploc bag located in the area of the blue arrow should contain the fuse. Next, locate the fuse holder directly to the left of the 16-amp circuit breaker. By using a straight blade screwdriver, you will be able to remove the fuse holder by turning the screw counterclockwise. You will now be able to pull out the old fuse and insert the new spare fuse. You can then reinsert the fuse back into the holder and tighten back in place by turning it clockwise. This should restore power to the display once you reapply power to the unit.